This model kit review is of the UH-1B, or the Huey helicopter, and this is a model by Italeri in the 1/72nd scale, and it doesn't have any figures, but it has 4 different decal options and some details there about the plane. Here we have our looks like painting guide, different colors needed, and there are the contents. You can see the 2 sprues and decals. Let's have a look on the inside, see what we have. Okay, so here first of all we have our glass. There's our windshield and side glass. That's the lower glass for the bottom part of the cockpit, all fairly nicely molded. This looks like this is an older kit. Here we have some raised panel lines for our fuselage here. Looks like the door's going to be able to open, and here's our main rotor with some nice detail on it. Here's our cockpit. We've got definitely got some nice detail. There's our instrument panel, our skid, and looks like maybe some parts here for our control, our cyclics, with some doors. This is the back part here of the inside of the cabin, and our top part of our cockpit. Let's have a look at the other sprue. Here's the other half of the cockpit and boom. We've got some, these are the engine covers, and I'm not sure what that is. That might be guns. We've got some rocket pods. Here's our little stabilizers. There's the tail rotor there. Our main rotor assembly, and gear drives here. Here we've got our, these are the cockpit seats, all fairly well molded and a nice level of detail. So let's have a look. Here are our decals. Not a huge amount of decals. That would just be for one. Here's some of the common ones, but really not a lot of detail there. Here's some detail about the plane, and let's have a look at our instructions. So there's the parts listing, colors needed there, and we build our cockpit first, inside of our cabin. Then our rotor assembly goes together, and that's all mounted with the cockpit inside of our fuselage. We put our tail together there, and then the top of the cockpit, our glass and engine assembly. And those are the options there for doors open or closed. Here the skid goes on there, and tail rotor protector there. Our main rotor goes on, and then guns. So there we go. Those are the guns in the front, version A, and there's the other version there. You can have the side guns, so that's quite nice there. These are the different options here. Yes, this is from Vietnam, US version, including our decal and paint guide. This is the Australian version, and Japanese version. So that's a fun little model kit.